Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Harry token. Now ticker symbol is Gorilla. This is Harry the Gorilla. Now he is being listed on a big central exchange with over 6 million users. We're going to go over the information on Harry and how you can get this token in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, Harry Gorilla is more than just a cryptocurrency. It's a community-driven project that aims to make a positive impact in the world while also having fun. Inspired by the popular Telegram sticker of a blue gorilla, Harry Gorilla is a meme coin with a purpose. At the heart of Harry Gorilla is a commitment to charitable giving. A portion of all transaction fees will be donated to a rotating list of charitable organizations that are chosen by the community. This means that simply by holding and trading Harry Gorilla, you are also contributing to meaningful causes. So in a nutshell, that's what this token is. Now, this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing June 13th at 10 o'clock UTC time. So this token is being listed on Mexc Global, a big central exchange with over 6 million users. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section, search the ticker symbol Gorilla, and then simply just buy the Harry token. Now, they had a Kickstarter event prior to this listing, and so that is now over, and now it's getting a brand new listing. Now, this token is on the Ethereum blockchain. It's a brand new project. So far, they only have 545 holders, according to their Etherscan. 9 decimal places on this token, and a max total supply, it looks like 420 quadrillion tokens. It's cut off because there's so many numbers that I can't even read it here. Let me verify that. Yeah, 420 quadrillion tokens. So a lot of tokens, very much a meme number. Now, they do have a white paper. If you go over to harrygorilla.xyz, you can find a link to a 12-page white paper over there that has all their links. Now, they have a Telegram, they have a Twitter, Medium articles, Reddit, GitHub, YouTube, and a link to Uniswap, all on their white paper, their 12-page white paper. So, Harry Gorilla has one simple goal in mind: to empower the community using the technology of crypto and decentralized finance to create and generate passive income to holders. By investing in our sophisticated USD distribution system, each holder will receive a passive income just by holding the token. Now, this is they're talking about reflections. Now, the difference between buying this token off of Uniswap and buying it off of Mexc Global is if you do get this off of Uniswap, there's going to be a lot more steps and using your decentralized wallet. Now, you're going to have to pay gas fees on Uniswap, and so it's a lot of the times, for me anyways, transactions fail on Uniswap, and you can lose all your gas fees, and you don't even get tokens. You can lose $30 or more in gas fees gone, and then you're thinking, well, do I even try again? And then also, if there's reflections, that means there's going to be taxes, then you're going to have to set slippage. Then there's gas fees and slippage, all that type of stuff. So to me, I would rather use, this is my personal opinion, not financial advice. I would rather use MEXC Global than Uniswap just because the fees are extremely lower for the most part, and then, it's a lot more simple, and their MEXC Global has a lot of good features, all sorts of good stuff like that. So anyways, that's my opinion on that. It says, whether you're new to investing or business or have years of experience, it doesn't change the facts that it takes extreme patience, perseverance, dedication to research, and put hard work into achieving a passive income stream. At Hairy Gorilla, we're changing that with our new cutting-edge system that makes passive income easy, as you will be constantly making passive income just by holding and supporting the project. The larger growth of the project, the more income you shall receive. Understanding the tokenomics. So a total of 6% of taxes just go to marketing and development. So yeah, if you're paying that tax for buying and selling, there's 12% right there, 6 plus 6, gone just to marketing and development, and MEXC Global is going to have way less fees than that. So that's, another reason why I prefer that. So, and then he talks about how funding is essential for marketing, then 2% goes to liquidity, and then 2% goes to the passive income that they were talking about. So basically, you're going to have to pay 10% tax. You get 2% reflections. Not the best, but, and yeah, so the roadmap is, does it even have a roadmap on here? They got NFTs. So they have gold, real estate, and bonds and digital currency NFTs here. Each asset class will take a percentage. Yes, they talk about these reflection yield breakdowns for NFTs. So you get different reflections for different NFTs, it looks like. Only 300 NFTs will ever exist, and there's exclusive reflection use cases for the NFTs. And it says minting the NFTs will cost 0.1 ETH at launch. So yeah, there's the digital, gold, real estate, and bond NFTs. Those are the name of them. But yeah, it says they don't have a roadmap yet. It says it's in progress. Let me verify their page. Oh, they have one on their webpage, actually. So it goes website, community, pink sale, Uniswap, more holders, marketing, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, more holders, more Telegram members, and then central exchange listings, and then partnerships. So really no utility beside, they don't even have the NFTs on their roadmap, which is weird. So there's partners with Dex Screener, Dex Tools, Aave, OpenSea, DexView, and Uniswap. And then they got all their socials. They have a contact email at the bottom of their webpage. Check it out, hairygorilla.xyz, and check out that MEXC Global referral code where this token just got listed. And let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And make sure you like this video and subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.